Are you tired of using multiple polishes on your vehicle to achieve the perfect finish? Well, look no further with SONAX Perfect Finish. This great product can deliver multiple levels of both medium cut, and utilizing advanced abrasives, it will deliver on an ultra fine polish as well. Application is simple. It can be done by hand and or polisher. With that, you're gonna of course put 3 pea-sized dots on the polisher. This product is considered magic in a bottle because it removes swirl marks, water spots, oxidation, and the best part is it's VOC compliant and body shop safe, delivering at a level of finish and cut unlike any other polish and eliminating multiple steps, narrowing it down into one simple step. Easy wipe off for all residue left behind. Don't sacrifice cut for the perfect finish. Trust SONAX Perfect Finish to take your vehicle to the next level. Get it now at Autogeek.com and see the difference for yourself.